Most children and young people grow up with a sibling, and often this is one of the longest lasting relationships that they will have in life. But as they get older, some siblings may face mental health challenges. Being a young person with a sibling who has a mental health condition can be really tough. My name is Irena Tetkovic. I'm a PhD student at the University of Cambridge Department of Psychiatry. My PhD focuses on how best to support children and young people who grew up with a sibling with a mental health condition. During my PhD, I asked some of these young people to share with me what their experience has been like, and these are some of the things that they have said.
The hardest part of dealing with her mental illnesses was the outbursts.
I would say it was definitely suffocating because you want to talk about it, but you just feel so much shame about it.
Some siblings felt like they had to support their family with the situation.
I took on an extra responsibility as a parentified child to help mitigate those problems.
When I asked siblings if they could talk to their friends about their experience growing up, I had mixed answers. While some siblings did, others often told me that they didn't want to or they couldn't.
I don't think either of us wanted to go through the burden of that emotional labour, to describe that experience when you're talking to a person that has never been there before.
I was told I wasn't allowed to, and the first time I did was like 2 years after it started, and it felt like a dam bursting, and I felt so guilty about it after, because my mum was still very much in the zone of, this is our family business, it shouldn't be anybody else's.
During my interviews with the siblings, I also asked what they think might help siblings who are dealing with these experiences currently. Some siblings felt like speaking to others going through the same situation would be helpful.
Especially for kids, just to understand that this is normal. A lot of the reason that I didn't talk to people is because I thought my family was just bad and no one else's family was like this. And now that I'm an adult, I'm like, wow, everyone's family has tons of issues. And so I think that would have really helped. I think it can contribute a lot to know that you're not the only person going through it.
Siblings are so often overlooked when it comes to mental health. With the Sibling project, we want to change that by creating space for siblings to be seen, heard, and supported. Their experience matters. This is just the beginning. We hope that Sibling leads to real resources for siblings and helps make sure that siblings know their voice matters.